This simplified version of Linus and Lucy is an example of a melody you might be able to play after just 1 or 2 months of piano lessons, like either with a live teacher or using Hoffman Academy's online lessons. Linus and Lucy uses just one hand, but the rhythms are getting a little more complicated. When you're playing that with just one hand by itself, it may not sound as exciting as it could sound if you use a backing track. As a beginning pianist, use a backing track to make your practice more exciting and musically fulfilling so you get the sense of what the full piece is supposed to sound like.